What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new subscribers, new viewers. So today I'll be doing a balcony makeover. So I just recently moved to a new apartment, and it has a balcony which is 3 square meters. That's 3 meters by 1 meter. It's actually, it fits up for 2 people really. So today I'll be making it look good so that I can sit outside and enjoy the beautiful view. So I'm just going to start off by sweeping because it's a bit dirty there, as you can see. Fortunately there's a drain on the balcony, so I can just mop all that stuff off, and then I'll start putting whatever that's gonna go on the balcony. Actually, I think we should just show what we have.
Okay.
So I have these cushions that I'll be using with these crates. So I'm gonna set them up right here, like so. But I'll obviously show the whole thing once I'm done cleaning the balcony. I also have this palette here that I literally got from the trash. So I'm gonna use this as a planter because I wanna have herbs outside and maybe like veggies in the near future. And I bought a patio set that I'll put right here in the middle, so that I can enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinner here outside if I can. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Just tied all 4 together so that they don't move when I sit. So I've already done that, so I'm just gonna put them here against the wall. Gonna make sure that everything is pushed against the wall and there's enough space for the balcony strobes or what. So I'm just gonna put them right there. And another one right there. There you go guys. The balcony setup is done. are inspired by this video to renovate your own spaces, your own balconies, and just make them feel like a place you wanna hang out every day, you know, and enjoy a great view if you have, or just enjoy outside really. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm about to enjoy a nice lunch outside by my new table.
Yeah.